What are you doing, baby?
Trying to figure this out again. How do you do that?
What are you drinking right now in London?
Red Bull,
Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
Damn you, Siri.
Damn you, Siri.
Red Bull, thank God they have it. We didn't think they did.
And he's studying his Red Bull intensely.
Oh man, how do we get out of here?
That tastes different.
Yeah, everything here is different.
Everything, dude, just remember, everything here is gonna taste way different.
I'm gonna start.
You're not gonna starve.
I have my GMOs.
You don't need your GMOs.
It ain't genetically modified. I can't
But see,
eat
look
it.
at all these people are enjoying McDonald's.
It's, dude, the McDonald's here.
We're gonna die.
Way different.
We are so gonna die.
Where to
Where
go?
are we going?
I don't know.
It looks like we're going into the drive-thru or something. Oh, you're really close.
Oh, it tells you I'm gonna hit the side. Oh, this is terrible. Every alarm's going off.
And they're all watching you.
It's okay, I'm an American.
It's weird, the thing has like 4 different sensors.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
The guy in the bike behind us is like, what the hell?
Are you going the wrong way?
I don't know.
Turn
No.
left now.
You're going the right way.
Don't say things like that, because I really don't know.
Well, there's cars parked on
Oh, shit.
you. We should have those.
Little motorcycles.
Oh my god.
Yo, feel free to take over at any time. And rough.
And we're up. Oh my god.
Oh, dude, this thing gets it. Damn. This thing's quick.
Fast and Furious in this bitch.
In 3/10 of a mile, make a slight left turn onto Stanwell.
It does get up and go, huh? I had to beat that semi-truck thing. Okay.
Oh my god.
Mile enter the roundabout and take the second exit onto
Dear
Stanwell.
Oh, God.
Oh my god.
See, the roundabouts.
Don't forward.
Oh my god.
Why are you holding the shifter?
I wasn't trying to hold the rifle, so you're about to spill on me.
We only got 30 minutes to get there, and it's an hour and a half.
Coda's hanging on for dear life back there.
Welcome to England!
Gee.
Oh, there's like a little baby dog deer thing.
What?
I don't know what that was.
Dog deer?
There's like a mutated deer.
Baby dog deer.
Well, I wanted to call it a deer, but it's tiny.
It's a baby
It's
dog.
a baby dog deer.
Change my mind.
Alright, I'll calm down. I scared myself a few times. I almost peed the first roundabout. Scary. As he wanted to go, so we went. We're at our first stop in,
Stonehenge.
well, we're at our first stop in the UK,
Yeah,
England.
but we are officially at Stonehenge.
I'll go right. Hey.
I'm so stoked.
For your safety, if you are standing, please hold onto the rails at all times.
I literally like can't see it. The lens is covering it.
Oh, yeah, that's tough. That's how I was in the car. So I'm sure the car is going to be like...
day.
Perfect Stonehenge weather.
Right?
Stonehenge. The big outer circle was built 5,000 years ago, and the inner circle was then built 4,500 years ago.
I don't know anything. So.
You do
all
too,
you.
you just saw.
I know, but you just said everything I knew.
They also dragged each one of these stones from 100 miles away. And they're each, I don't remember how heavy they are.
Tons of
3
tons.
tons each.
More. I thought they were like 30 or
I thought they were
300
more
tons.
too. I thought it was like an astronomical number.
I don't know.
Anyways, they're heavy. Heavy as
Edit. Censored.
edit. It's my hut.
You feel like perfect in that thing.
I know.
She's a
I
hobbit.
don't have to duck at all.
You're a hobbit, babe.
It's my size.
Wow.
This is my house.
Let me see.
Look at that one. That one's like the kid hut.
It's probably the bathroom.
Look how like meticulously they had to make the roof. Every single one is like little straws too.
So weird.
Yeah.
Whole roof just falls.
Weird.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
And see how they're all hollow?
Uh-huh.
Oh, the roof's right there. Hooked right into it.
Yeah, you're not a hobbit.
No. Sit on my head.
Stonehenge? Check.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet though. It was nice to come back for the second time.
It is awesome. I love it.
Learned a little bit more and had some fun.
Yeah, we learned a lot more. I think last time we didn't know anything about it except for it was ancient and it was one of the wonders of the world.
Yep. All right.
All right, on to the next.
Yeah.
Fish and chips.